Today we're going to be learning how to bleach and do a shadow root on this very dark hair. We're going to be using Brilliant Blondex, the anti-breakage lightener from Ugly Duckling with 30 volume developer. It's always best to start applying bleach from the back. That's where the hair is the thickest and that's where you need it to stay the longest. So once you've done your first section, you do your second section higher up and you keep working your way up and then around the head until you've done the whole head. Now people keep asking, how long should I leave the bleach in the hair? And the answer is, you have to check. There's no fixed development time. Ugly Duckling bleaches are fairly fast acting, so 15 to 30 minutes to lift this kind of hair using 30 volume would be a rough guide. And watch this carefully here, because this is the color you need it to be after you've done your bleaching. For the root area, we're going to be using 5.11 light deep ash brown and 5N. We're using 10 volume developer here. So we go ahead and we apply that mixture to the entire shadow root area. For the lengths, we're going to be using Ugly Duckling purple grey, Ugly Duckling silver grey, and a little bit of clear. So with Ugly Duckling color, you not only get the vibrancy, you get a very beautiful creamy consistency so that your hair gets conditioned as it colors. And look, even the reindeer is happy. And we go ahead and apply, saturating the hair really, really well. And later on, we're going to use the comb to comb through and make sure there's a thorough deposit of the color consistently and evenly throughout the lengths. So here we are. Here's the final result. As you can see, we've totally transformed our client's hair from dark brown into this gorgeous grey blonde shadow root. And I'm sure she's going to totally enjoy walking out in the streets of New York with this new hair. Happy holidays, everyone.